Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Employee Center. What you have to do first is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is a URL section, type down Employee Center login. And after you're done, click enter. And here we can see you have to click on this first option that says Employee Central. So an interface like this will open in your screen and you have to click on this top right corner right over here that is login. And here we can see you are required with a user ID as well as your password. Type down your user ID and also your password. But if you need help logging in, you can click the appropriate link below over here. You have three links. You can just click as per your need and click on the sign in after you're done. And this is how you can log in to Employee Center. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.